Hi, this is Yogesh. I welcome you in the video series of engineering graphics. So today we are going to solve the first problem based on projection of line. So this is the problem. A line AB 70 mm long is inclined at 34 degree to HP and 42 degree to VP. Complete the projections of line if point A is 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. So from this statement we can say that the true length is given of line AB, it is 70 mm. Its inclination is given to HP and VP. So its inclination is true inclination. So inclination of true line to HP is 34 degree. So it is a theta. And inclination of true line to VP it is 42 degree. So it is a phi. And starting point is given both in front view as well as top view. So in front view, the starting point is 15 mm above HP. That is 15 mm above XY line. And starting point of this line in top view it is 20 mm in front of VP, that means 20 mm below XY line. So with this statement and with this explanation we can write the given data like this. True length is given 70 mm, true angle theta is 34 degree and true angle phi in top view it is 42 degree. So start the solution. First of all draw XY line, then show or represent the starting point in front view as well as top view. So in front view it is A dash which is 15 mm above HP. In top view it is A which is 20 mm below XY line, that is 20 mm in front of VP. Now after locating the starting points A dash and A, draw locus, horizontal locus through these points. So it is a locus of A dash in front view, it is a locus of A in top view. Now after drawing the locus, we have to represent the true line in front view as well as top view, and also its inclinations are given. So first of all we'll represent the true line in front view. So draw a line at an angle of 34 degree, that is with the true angle 34 degree. Mark 70 mm distance on this line which is the end point of this true length, that is B1 dash. It is a true length. Now draw a horizontal locus through this B1 dash, it is a locus of B dash. Significance of this locus of B dash is the end points of true length and the end points of apparent length in front view lies on this locus of B dash. So in further steps we are going to obtain the apparent length in front view whose end points definitely will lie on this locus of B dash. Now similar to this we'll obtain the true length, we'll show the true length in top view also. So we have the true angle 42 degree which is made by true length in top view. So we'll draw a line at 42 degree. We'll mark a distance 70 mm on this line which is a true length. We'll obtain the point B1. Similar to previous steps, we'll draw here locus, horizontal locus, that is locus of point B. Now the significance of this locus of B is the end point of true length and apparent length in top view will lie on this locus of B. So till now we have obtained the true length in front view and top view. Rather than obtain, we have shown the true length in front view and top view. Now we have to obtain or we have to show the apparent length in front view and top view. Now by using one rule we can obtain the apparent length either in front view and top view with these steps drawn here. Now we can draw a vertical projector from end point of true length in front view like this, and if you take the compass, set at point A and draw a curve like this, we'll get a point of intersection on locus of B. Now this point of intersection, if you connect this point of intersection with A, it gives you the point B which is nothing but the end point of plan length, that is apparent length in top view. If we measure this plan length, it will be around 55 mm. Now here we have obtained the apparent length in top view, that is plan length. Similar to this, we have to obtain the apparent length in front view. So by using one rule, we can obtain the apparent length in front view also. The apparent length in front view is known as elevation length, and the rule is the end point of plan length and end points of elevation length lies on the same vertical projector. As diagram shows, the A dash and A lies on the same vertical projector. Here the point B and B dash will also lie on the same vertical projector. So by using this rule, we'll draw a vertical projector from B. It will intersect to the locus of B dash and it will give the end point of apparent length in front view, that is end point of elevation length. So we'll draw a line like this. So it is a nothing but elevation length, that is apparent length in front view. If we measure this elevation length, it will be around 52 mm. Now we have represented the elevation length and plan length in front view as well as top view. Now we have to measure the angle made by this elevation length. So this angle is around 50 degree. Its notation is alpha. And the angle made by plan length is 55 degree. Its notation is beta. So this is the complete solution of this problem. Now if you find any difficulty while solving this problem, you can mention that problem in comment section. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to get further such videos, you can subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the latest notification for the videos. Thank you.